Step 0, getting pre-approved. It's vitally important that you get pre-approved before you go shopping. The reason it's so important to get pre-approved before we go house hunting is because the pre-approval will allow you to know how much money the bank is willing to lend you and at what rate. Remember, just because you're pre-approved for $1 million home doesn't mean you should buy $1 million home. There's a lot of things to consider when financing your home, and the monthly payment is usually paramount for most buyers. So, when you go to speak to your lender, you're going to need 3 things. You're going to need 2 years tax returns, the last 2 months worth of pay stubs, and your last 2 months worth of bank statements. If you walk into a lender's office with those 3 things, they will take you very seriously because you have already shown you're prepared and ready to do business, and you're not a waste of their time on application. Once you have those 3 things, you need to contact a lender, and they'll have you fill out a loan application. You can fill out a loan application with most lenders online and in person, depending on what works with your schedule and what you prefer. Once you complete your loan application, the lender will give you a pre-approval letter. That pre-approval letter will spell out exactly how much you qualify for and at what rate. This will help guide us in what homes we're going to look at, because we don't want you to look at homes that you can't afford, and you may be surprised at the amount that the bank will lend you, which may allow you to look at homes that you would not have normally considered. So imagine, if you were selling your home and you got 2 contracts, one where the buyer was pre-approved and the other where the buyer had no guarantee of financing, which one would you take? I'm sure you can see why it's so important for us to get pre-approved before we go house hunting. If you have any questions or anything I can do, please reach out to me. My contact information should be right down here. So this is Nolan Brooks with RE/MAX United. I look forward to working with you.